These are the only tools you need, a syringe and the oil. Nothing else. Here's the actual oiler. As you can see, there's no fill holes. So how do you do it? You take this plug off, and then you can see this tiny hole over there. That's where you are going to pump the oil. So basically you take the syringe and suck some oil out of the bottle. I'm running really low and this doesn't really reach up there. I'm gonna use the cap. Oh, that's fine. And then let's not make a mess here, or at least try to. Oop, oop, oop. You need to fill it slowly so it doesn't overpour like I did. So that's basically done. Just repeat as many times as you need until it's full, and then put the plug back in so it doesn't spill over. You can also take the breather hose off from here if it's tricky. So this can be taken apart, but I don't need to do that. That's basically it.